Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to upload files to Claude Project. So to start, go ahead and open Claude, then sign in to your Claude account. Now once you're signed in, go to the left side and look for projects. So click on projects, then you'll see all of your projects in here. You'll see your current projects and their file type. So if you open it, so you'll see their file type in here. Now to upload files to your project, so hover over to files at the bottom right, then click the plus icon right here to add your files. So once you click that, so here are the options. So you can upload from your device, just click on it and select from your device. Next, you can also add text content. So click on that and you can name your content and type or paste in your content and then click add content. Next, you can also add files from GitHub and you have here Figma and Drive. So if you go to Drive, so here you can see all of your files. So you can see the preview in here, also in Figma. So look for your files. You can search resources or paste URL in here, also in Drive, and select your files and upload it. And that's basically it. So I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.